Some days, the job doesn't just end when the shift is over. It sticks with you. You can scrub and scrub, but the oil, it's persistent. It's designed to be. And when you can't even do the next part of your job, that's when it really gets to you.
Grease is everywhere in industry, but are you aware of the hidden price your workers pay every day? From skin diseases to respiratory problems, prolonged exposure to grease poses significant health risks to Malaysian workers.
A startling 58% of Malaysian industrial workers face moderate health risks, like oil acne and dermatitis, from grease on their skin. And 20% are at high or severe risk of chemical absorption and chronic toxicity due to prolonged exposure and poor hygiene. But a solution is gaining traction. The adoption of waterless grease removers is growing across key industries. Leading the charge, 40% of manufacturers and 30% of automotive workshops are already prioritizing worker safety with this technology. The choice is clear: reduce health risks and create a safer workplace. Access to waterless cleaners is essential.
Grease never stops. In real work environments, dirty hands are part of the job. Another day, another battle with the grime that won't quit. Conventional soaps, they're no match for this. When the job's done, the work shouldn't stop because you can't get clean. It's time for a new weapon. Next waterless grease cleaner. No water, no mercy.